Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Just wanted to give a quick overview of everything um, that we discussed on how to set up your Facebook store, which products and services are good to add, getting a good idea of as far as which products you should add, um, how to market your product through Facebook or service, and just how to create a successful Shopify store. If you follow all of these steps, guys, like I said, nothing is guaranteed. I can't guarantee you success, but it's 99.9% certain that you will do well. Um, just follow the blueprint, within this course that I set out for you. Um, and at the end of the day, the only thing that's holding you back from taking action, getting started, and applying all this knowledge that you were taught in this course is you. Only you can, you know, motivate you. Um, go through the course a few times if you need to. Don't just go through it once. You may need to go through it, two, three, four times in order to grasp the information and, set everything up correctly. And all you need to do is just follow what I set out to for you step by step. Just follow it step by step from, setting up your Shopify store to setting up your ad and running your advertising. Uh, and this is a proven method, guys. I get a lot of sales in all my Shopify stores on a daily basis. And I mean, it works wonders. The blueprint is great, but you will have to follow this blueprint in order for it to work. You will have to follow it. The system has been proven to work, like I said, not just me, but a lot of other, successful Shopify store owners who's, generating good revenue use the same method. I trained a lot of people with my course, and all of them are doing pretty well. So this works. Like I said, go through the course multiple times if you need to. Don't just go through it once. Uh, when you set up your store, again, keep in mind um, the one-dimensional products. Make sure you got your target market right. Make sure you're targeting the right pages that you need to on Facebook. And just scale up. You know, the only thing that should change, is your success. You should keep getting better. Um, bump up your budget as your store grows. Start out at $5, $10 a day, go to $20 a day, go to $50 a day, go to $100 a day. Um, and that'll also boost your monthly revenue. The only difference between you and the stores is making $100,000 a month. Is those stores is making $100,000 a month, they're spending about $400 or $500 a day. So of course they're going to make that much if they're spending $400 or $500 a day. Um, and you will get that up. You will get to that point. You just have to scale up and set your store up the right way. Um, and trust me, it will work for you. It's a proven method, it's a proven system, and um, you know, eh, like I said, I'm not going to guarantee you success, but 9 times out of 10, you will do very great, accomplish all of your goals. Excuse me. And the only thing you need to change is again your budget as your store grows in order for you to scale up and make even more money every month. Um, that was the course, guys. You made it to the last video. And again, if you need to go through the course again, go through it multiple times. Have full access to it. I wish everyone um, the nothing but the best of success. I'm excited to, have helped you build your store and teach you everything that I learned and I know personally. So go out there, guys. Have nothing but success, and please give me some feedback from time to time on how your store is doing, because I like to see the success stories. I like to hear that when I train someone and um, they tell me my method worked and they're getting sales coming in. I love to hear things like that. So definitely tell me things like that. And again, guys, I wish all of you nothing but um, success from 2019 and beyond.